A gente fez um vídeo em Londres falando do XT26 e agora a gente está aqui em Pequim, na China, para mostrar a novidade 400X da linha Storm. Essa aqui é uma luz nova, extremamente compacta e tem a tecnologia BLAIR. Brandon, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Once again, you are here and tell us more about this 400X.
Yeah, so first of all, welcome to BLAIR TV 2025. The Storm 400X, we call it Baby BLAIR. It's basically everything that's taken from the Storm 1200X, its bigger brother, and then made a lot smaller. One of the biggest requests that we got from the Storm 1200X was like, this light is great, this light is super powerful, but I need something that has all the benefits of BLAIR, has all the benefits of IP65, has the CRMX, and has everything that integrates into the Aputure and Cytoslink ecosystem, but in a much smaller form factor. The 400X, I'll show you right here, compared to the 1200X, is only 3.95 kilograms to the lamp head. I can hold it up with one hand, no problem. I can carry it with my pinky, no problem. This is the 400X with the CF7 Fresnel. Basically, this takes the BLAIR light engine, 2500 Kelvin up to 10,000 Kelvin, full plus and minus ASC, MITC, green and magenta control, and has even limited HSIC plus control. So I can actually go into the 400X, despite it being tuned for a tunable white light fixture. I can actually access saturated colors out of this as well. So I can give you a little bit, I'll give you a little bit right here, a little bit of red. I can give you magenta, I can give you some blue, I can give you some lime into that color, I can give you a little bit of yellow and then back to red. So even though this is a X fixture, which is made for tunable white light, you can access a whole wide range of colors, and that's the beauty of the BLAIR light engine. So again, you're getting blue, lime, amber, indigo, and red, all mixed together to create a really nice tunable white light with exceptionally high SSI in daylight, as well as in tungsten as well. Again, also IP65 and featuring the Pro-Lock mounting system as well. So this makes sure you get a really tight lock onto the Bowens mount accessory. And then for this guy, we have this new CF7 Fresnel. The CF7 Fresnel, you can see it spins into a really compact form factor, just like the CF12 Fresnel does, but is made specifically for the 400X. So you're going to get a really nice compact Fresnel that still is incredibly bright. In fact, if I spot it all the way up and I turn on the brightness, you can actually see the 400X hit the ceiling of this convention center, which I don't think anyone would think you could be able to see from a 400 watt light. You can see the 400X all over here with the CF7 Fresnel, focusing it into about 15 degrees with this guy. 400X is a godsend for a lot of people who really want a BLAIR type fixture with a 1200X, but to be able to take it for corporate shoots, to be able to take it for videography and places where the 1200X is not as convenient to travel with. The 400X comes in the same size case pretty much with a little bit of modification as the original 300D Mark II and the 300X. So if you're used to those and you already have those in your car or in your truck, you have a space for the 400X already. And it also comes with a super small compact control box as well that's also IP65 rated, that is going to be able to power your fixtures with a 14.4 volt V-mount battery up to 20 amps to give you full power. This guy is really the perfect tool to take on most of your small corporate or small videography jobs.
If you maybe just make a little changes, you can put the Fresnel compact in the same case of the light, right?
Yes. So the Fresnel and barn doors comes together as a kit, but you can actually take out the reflector from the 400X kit and turn it into a 400X plus Fresnel kit with barn doors all in the same case that houses the 400X. So it makes it a really compact and nicely designed kit for you to take on all your productions.
What about the brightness between 400X and 1600D or 1600X?
So actually, with the new BLAIR engine and our new Fresnel and our new reflector for the 400X, you actually get a lot more power out of the 400X than you might expect. So it's putting it up there with lights like the 600X and 600D in certain color temperatures and certain beam angles. When you throw into a softbox, the 600D, it has more luminous flux, it's more lumens, it's gonna overpower the 400X. But in a lot of situations, I can see a lot of people moving from their kit of having some heavier 600Xs, moving down to 400Xs, or whatever we have in store in the future.
E se você quiser conhecer a 400X, se você quiser testar, colocar no seu set, logo a MC vai trazer para o Brasil essa novidade que é Storm. Muito legal, é BLAIR. Segue a gente no Instagram, dá aula no direct. Valeu, galera, tamo junto.